Feeling slow, uncentered, or like your body's not fully awake yet? That's your core and hips still in sleep mode, disconnected from your day. Let's reboot your rhythm from the center out. Lift your right knee high, rotate it outward or inward like you're drawing a circle with your thigh. Then step back down. Repeat. This move reconnects your brain to your body fast. It's coordination, mobility, and blood flow in one clean hit. I promise this wakes up the hip joint and prepares your lower body for real-world movement, walking, running, even sitting better. Beginners use a wall for balance. Advanced stretchers move slowly with intention and add a brief pause at the top. Still feel stiff? That's expected, but stay in it 5 more seconds. Notice the symmetry? That's a sign that's probably been working harder without you knowing. This move doesn't just stretch, it reveals what needs attention. Can you draw a bigger circle than before? That just fired up your mobility. Now let's flow into deeper range. Step your right leg forward into low lunge, gently shift forward and back, syncing your breath with the movement. This is one of the best dynamic ways to open tight hips, especially after hours of sitting. I promise it will restore fluidity in your hip flexors and reduce pressure on your lower back. Beginners pad the back knee. Advanced stretches add a gentle twist or deeper pulse forward. Five more seconds here. Can you feel your hip letting go? Other side now. Let it be smooth, like oiling a joint that's been stuck overnight. The stretch makes walking, standing, and sitting feel better later today. Hold 5 more seconds. You've got this. That just opened up the front of your hips. Now let's reset the back. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Reach down, grab your toes, then drop into a deep squat. Keep your chest up. Lift your hips to stretch the hamstrings. Repeat. This is the bridge between stretch and strength. It teaches your body control, power, and balance all at once. I promise this move wakes up your hips, hamstrings, knees, and posture in one flow. Beginners keep hands on shins. Advanced stretches add a pause in the squat and press knees outward with elbows. This one stretch trains over 6 key movement patterns at once. Still with me? 5 more seconds. Drop into that squat one last time. That just linked power and flexibility. Now let's recharge your foundation. Lie down, knees bent, feet flat. Drive through your heels and lift your hips. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top. Lower slowly. This is your recentering move. When your glutes are online, your spine, knees, and even your focus work better. I promise this stretch powers up the posterior chain and anchors you in your body. Beginners arms flat by your side. Advanced stretches add a 3-second hold at the top or try single leg variations. 5 more seconds. Squeeze like your life depends on it. That just recharge your base. Let's finish standing tall and free. Stand tall, place your hands on your hips, start drawing big, slow circles with your hips, like an invisible hula hoop. Reverse after 30 seconds. This is more than just fun. It's spinal decompression, hip joint restoration, and core reawakening all at once. I promise this resets your nervous system, mobilizes your pelvis, and improves movement flow. Beginners, keep circles small. Advanced switches, add torso twists, or close your eyes for balance work. Here's your final challenge. Make these last 5 seconds your biggest range yet. That just brought it full circle. Your day starts aligned.